The chat. Merry Christmas yet again. Bro, my voice, bro. It's giving out. Alright, maybe that's a little better. I'm still sick. I don't know if you can tell. But fuck it, we ball. You already know. Put my headphones real quick. We gonna get started. Yes, sir. Things good. Oh, nice. We already reconnected once. Let's go. That's a good sign. Alright, chat. If I'm being honest, I don't expect a lot of people to come in today, but fuck it, we'll see what we can do. Alright. Bro, my voice sounds so like my voice sounds like shit, bro. Jeez. It's all good though. It's all good in the hood. Alright. Yeah, so last time we were making the skills for the motherfucking classes, like the specific classes. So we're gonna continue to knock that out and we'll go from there. So all right, let's do this. Hope everyone had a good Christmas though. Yeah, so let's check on what was in our list. Catch yet again. Jeez, bro. Okay, yeah, so we have a debuff resistance. Oh yes, and we were going to what's good, Sophia? Good to see you. Merry Christmas again. Hope you're doing good, Sophia. Good to see you. How was your Christmas? Okay. Yeah, so I remember we were gonna put it all in one file. Not the whole program, obviously, but we were gonna put the different types of skills in the skill file itself. That's gonna require a lot of refactoring, though. I'm not gonna lie. We might, but low key, we might want to do that though, like straight up, because I think. No, I mean, we may not need a ton of refactor. Honestly, no, we don't need that shit. We just need to do that. Yeah, I'm doing good. Fuck yeah, that's good. Hell yeah. What'd you get for Christmas? I mean, if you celebrate it, I guess. I think you said you did. Do I sound sick, by the way? I'm still very sick. I'm very hot here, like 26 Celsius. I'm melting, bro. It's fucking. I live in Texas, bro. It was like 84 degrees Fahrenheit. What is that in Celsius? Hold on. 28 degrees Celsius in Texas. And mind you, it's winter here. Like, what the fuck? What are we talking about right now, dude? Like, shit pissed me off. And then yesterday it was like 70 something. Like, bro, talk about a white Christmas. It's insane. It's actually insane. I know that like places like Australia are you know, they're like whatever you call it. What's up, Danny? Good to see you, Danny. Good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning, Danny. Okay, yeah, so I think we're gonna put it all in the skill file because we're gonna have so many different types of skills, like it's gonna get really messy, like with the file hierarchy. I can't say that. Yeah, well, yeah. It's fucking insane, bro. Texas is not for the weak, I'll tell you. Yeah, so I guess all we really need to do is hold on, wait. What branch are we in before I do anything? We're still in the new leveling, which, I mean, honestly, that's fine, whatever. Excuse me, guys. I'm still sick. Very much so. It's probably very obvious. Okay. Yeah, let me stop. So, I think what I'm gonna do is just put this, like, just genuinely in the skill file. This might break the whole. Hold on. I kind of want to go to a new brand. Hold on, guys. Hold on, chat. Getting back to game programming because of you. Oh, that's awesome. Hell yeah. What's your first project? Like, what are you gonna work on? You know, what are you gonna program? If you have an idea of what you want to do yet. I think I'm gonna go ahead and merge the new leveling system because it's low key like kind of complete. Like the main like architecture of it is kind of complete. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Yeah, let me merge this really quick. Yeah, because I don't really want to do, I don't think we made any more changes, did we? Hold on, wait. Oh, it looks like we, oh, it's because we added that file. If I delete it, are we good? Well, we have debuff. I don't know, actually. Deleted, okay. Well, I mean, honestly, fuck it. We'll just, yeah, fuck it. Let's just to be safe, because I don't know what we did last time, Loki. Let me get my mic out of the way. Plan on working on Oxygen and C and OpenGL. Hell yeah. Bro, my first and only game I made was a FNAF clone in Java. Oh yeah, yeah, look at that. Yeah, sorry if the stream's lagging, guys. It should stop eventually. It always does this like at the very start. But yeah, my next project is going to be a OpenGL project. I think I'm going to try to make like a Geometry Dash clone because I think, was it Danny that recommended that? Because that's actually kind of sick. It was either Danny or IDK. It was one of you guys. So that'll be sick. That'll actually be sick. But yeah, hell yeah, that's a nice project. That'll be nice. Okay. I don't know. Feature leveling. I'm just gonna go and merge this because fuck it. Make sure the commits are all there. I'm super tired. I've been in bed all day because I'm sick and I'm still somehow very tired. Okay, nice. Alright, so it should be merged now. Let's check it out. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. And then we're gonna go to make another branch. Let's just do like refactor and then skill. Skill files. I don't know. Fuck it. Sure. That works. Alright, yeah, because I don't want to, like, break anything. This might look very messy, but we'll get through it. As long as there's no errors, we'll be fine. Someone else suggested that. I just added Vulkan into the mix. Danny, we are not doing Vulkan, bro. Danny, there's no way in hell we're doing Vulkan. We're doing OpenGL. We're gonna do that and we're gonna stick with that shit. Maybe one day when I'm like a god, I'll fucking do Vulkan, bro. But right now, no. No way in fucking hell, bro. That's for like good programmers. I'm not one of those. Alright, so that's there. But now we just have to like add like the methods and stuff. Which is also pretty simple. We just gotta do this, I think, right? We're gonna run the program again too. Damage attack? Yeah. Wait, is that what it is? Buff attack? No, it's buff attack. Excuse me, guys. Make sure that works, yeah. Okay. I got a 1,000 page PDF about working with Vulkan. Wish me luck, bro. No fucking way. Good luck, Sophia. Good luck, dude. I don't... We haven't like really made, we haven't like gone all out yet with like, you know, making all of the skill classes yet, or you know, like the children classes and stuff, child classes, whatever you call it. Fuck you. Okay, and I think everything should work. Like, I don't think we'd need these files anymore, so I'm gonna go ahead and just delete them. See what the fuck happens. Then we also have to go to make file and make sure it's not. Really have a book on it? A physical book? Jeez, bro. Fuck that. Fuck that, bro. I mean, honestly, maybe that's the way to do it. Like, passively learn it by just, like, reading. I don't know if you could passively learn Vulkan, though. Okay, let's try to... Let's try this out. Okay, got an error. What's this, character? I think we just needed to get rid of these, yeah? That's probably not going to be the only error either. I think we're probably going to have another one that's like... Excuse me. Oh, I think in skill list, we also need to do that as well. I would really like to get into streaming, but my main PC is a T14 ThinkPad. It struggles a lot with OBS. Damn. Damn. Hey, if you ever do, let me know. I'll come by. I'll watch. I'll be the first supporter. Yeah, streaming is fire, but it's not for everyone though. Yeah, skill list, that's the one. No wait, no. I need to go. Yeah, I need to go to the skill list file. That's okay, yeah. That's what it is. But I also need to include, I think if I just include skill.h, that works, right? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, so we'll just do that. Skill.h, and that should, I think, work. Yeah. Let's try that out now. It's your main PC? Damn, bro. Oh, fuck. Oh my god, bro. Of course, all of these guys are gonna be fucked up. Should have expected that. I've been meaning to build a PC for a while, but fucking, hey man, RAM is expensive. RAM is expensive, gang. Wait, is it in healer.h or? I guess not. Okay. We might have only done it for that one. Yeah, probably so. No, we did it here too. Okay. We might have another one, but we'll see. A gaming PC, the one with Windows 10 installed, is a 2012 Sony with G4. Jesus Christ, dude. Need to work on that thing, bro. Just recycle the parts or something. Or you know what I mean. Some more RAM in it. Okay, seems to compile, that's good. I guess we can make sure, I mean, everything should work just fine. Like if we're able to attack and it still does what it needs to do. Yeah, it still works. Yeah, everything still works. Okay, cool. I just wanted to make sure of that really quick. Nice. Cool. That is good. That is good. We like that. We like that a lot. Okay. So, I think now we just need to... Yeah, so now we just need to add like the actual like debuff resistance thing. Yeah, okay. We did buff defense, buff attack. So let's add another one now. We'll put it here. It'll be debuff res derived from public skill. Okay. Debuff. Res. And it'll just pass in the exact same shit. We can also just copy those. Nothing really changes with it. And then yeah, same thing with use skill, honestly. Okay. Good? Yes. Okay, cool. So now let's go here. To debuff res. Okay. Debuff res. Debuff res. Then yeah, just copy this shit again. Skill in magic DMG PCTT. Yeah, that should be good. Nice. How's the C++ today? Not biting much. What's up, Foxy? Good to see you, by the way. It is going great. It honestly is going pretty damn good. Got the menu system figured out. Now we're just kind of refactoring, or not really refactoring, but we're adding a new skill, like a new skill type. Right now we're trying to add these skills. Oh, this is the repository. Right now we're adding these skills like to like the leveling system. And if we can successfully add these and they can successfully like be added to the, like, for instance, whenever like someone reaches like level 2 and they're like an archer, they'll get arrow shot, like the new skill. And so we're adding that functionality right now, and it's going pretty damn well. So good to see you too. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Always good to see Foxy. I know I'm gonna have a good day when Foxy comes in. Okay. But yeah. How was Christmas? Did you celebrate it? Some people don't celebrate Christmas, so I always like to ask. I hope Christmas was well. Oh wait, that's the wrong shit. We gotta do use skill. Yeah, okay, so use skill is actually gonna need a little bit of some differences. I mean, not really, like, not anything insane. It's better to see someone else, though. You might know who. Oh. If I had to guess. I think I do know. Snorlax. Do I sound sick, by the way? My fucking voice is still just in pain. In pain. I'm still coughing like a madman. Which sucks when I'm trying to get some sleep. Solbyte the Snorlax. Bruh. Bruh. Don't. Nah, I fuck with it. I fuck with it. Okay. And it's, I mean, we can use the same functionality as this. Let me like copy this and we'll just change whatever we want to change. I think, yeah, that would make sense. Beautiful line of code right there. Yeah, so float stat points get RES, or do we get... Wait, what? Hold on. Get defense. Why are we doing it by the get defense? Wait. It's making your voice better, actually. Fuck no, dude. I sound like ass. There is no way it's making my voice better. It probably sounds a little deeper, but... Do you have a demo of the game? I can run through a demo. What's up, Liminal Spaces on Earth? It's a sick name. I can run through a demo if you guys want me to. Because a lot, honestly, has been changing these last couple of streams. Just say the word and I got you. But if you don't want to see me do it on stream, you can always get the repo. ! Code. Bada bing, bada boom. Right there. My fucking webcam is like... It's like in a weird spot. I don't know. You can see like my wall. Whatever, fuck it. Do you watch anything on YouTube? I like to watch true crime. I don't really watch anything like coding related. I mean, I do sometimes. There's just one guy, holy fuck. Yeah, let's see it. Yeah, bet. There's just one guy who, people like send him PCs that they're like, that have like issues and he fixes them. I used to love falling asleep to that shit. And I still watch them sometimes. I forget who does it though. Man, I wish I could fucking remember. Okay, yeah, we could do that. Let me just, fix this up really quick. Get resistance, I think it is. Yeah, get resistance. Let me commit the changes and then we'll go to the main branch and bada bing, bada boom. reordered or put all skill classes in skill.h. That's basically all I did. Okay. Let's run through it, boys. Let's run through it. Boys and gals. It's so ironic. I'm gonna have a PC tomorrow from a friend of mine. He wants me to fix it. Hell yeah. I've had people, like, some friends, like, call me about their PC, but I'll be honest, it's really fucking hard to, like, do that shit over the phone. Alright, boys. Let me go and compile it really quick. We're seeing some warnings, but it's okay, they're just warnings. And then, yeah, we can see the game. Yeah, so the coolest thing that we added... Oh, shit. The coolest thing that we added recently... Wait, what? What the fuck's happening? Why are we having errors? What? What? Undefined reference skill list. What? Hold on, gang. Hold on, gang. Sorry, this is taking a minute, but give me 1 second, okay? Hold on. I'm gonna try to fix this or clean this up a little bit. Hope everyone had a good Christmas, though. Yeah, it is. I've been in this situation too many times. Yeah, on God, bro. Like, I need to be in front of it to, like, be able to actually, like, you know what I mean? Like, judge it. Especially if it's, like, a motherboard problem, then, because they could be so many different fucking things. Or, like, you know, if it sounds like it could be the motherboard, because then it could be so many different fucking things. Okay. Alright, let's try that now. By the way, I didn't respond. I did celebrate Christmas with my family. It was great. Hell yeah. Nice. I celebrated with my family as well. Although, I'm sick as well. So, that's fun. Love that. Was your Christmas? It was good. It was good. Very, very nice. Very nice. Got to see the people I love. Very nice. Where do you study? I study in Texas. I'm not gonna say the university. I did dox myself one time though, so. But yeah, I study in Texas. Okay, we're still having this shit, bro. Okay, what's... If I... Oh no, wait. If I go to the other one... If I do this, and then try to compile it, because it was working just fine earlier. I think it's because we're adding... Is it because we're doing, like, Oh, I think I might know the problem. Yeah, I think it just gave us one. All right, nice. All right, now we can actually run it. Now we can actually run it. Nice. All right, I'll show you guys the demo. All right, so supposed to have a welcome message, but I haven't done that yet, or I haven't added that to the new menu system. So we get to create a party of like 4 different members. Give them a name. So party member 1, we'll name him Austin because that's my name. And then we get to choose a class. We have warrior, mage, archer, and healer. The colors are new. That's fucking sick. I mean, come on now. Colors, like, let's go. Look at us. We're in the big leagues now. All right, so then we'll do Harry for party member 2. We'll make him a mage, right? Because a wizard. We'll do Jack. Will be an archer. And then we will do Isaac. Will be a healer. Very cool. Now we have this menu. Choose an option. We can either go into the first fight. It's basically like an arena fighter kind of thing. So, print party stats or quit. So if we want to print party stats, we can see our party and the certain stats like the attack, defense, magic resistance, all that kind of stuff, as well as the name in the class next to it. So we'll go into the first fight. This is the very first fight. These are the enemies. So hell yeah. Now we can do a fight. Austin's turn. Choose a move. We can either attack or defend. These are also color coded. Colors big win. Colors big win. These are also color coded. Based on this right here. Go ahead and have fun reading that chicken scratch. But yeah, damage, buff, heal, and then the magic skills are this. So there you go. So we're gonna attack. And this is really fucking cool for anyone who wasn't here for this. These colors right here, they change depending on the enemy's health level. So if it's green, they have like high health. If it's yellow, then it's like medium or it's like middle. And then if it's red, it's like they're very low health. I mean, that's pretty sick. Like, come on now. Right, so we're going to attack, just to kind of show, we're going to attack enemy 1 only. We also get these nice little messages here. Red means that something went down, green means something went up. Alright, so now we're going to keep attacking enemy 1. And I think on this next move, yeah, see, look. Now enemy 1 is yellow. Come on. Big win, big win. Big leagues are calling me every fucking day. Alright. And then obviously we have the back and the cancel option as well. Pretty sick, pretty sick. We can also defend. Just kind of raises like the defensive stat. Out of range, what? Okay. Yeah, just like raises like the defensive stat, that kind of shit. So, hell yeah. And then yeah, we just basically go through and keep fighting. We're obviously gonna add more skills and all that kind of stuff, so. Well, I was going to do that, liminal spaces. I was going to do that, but it just seemed like so much. So what I did instead was I let this menu be here, right? So you can like always check. So I can hit 2 instead of pressing 1. I can hit 2 and I can print all the stats and kind of get like a good read for like, you know, everything. And even if I do fight and let's say I go through all of it and I'm like, oh wait, what were the things again? I could do cancel and go back to it. Boom. Right. And then we could just keep going. I was going to do that, but it just seemed like so cluttered. Like I wasn't sure if I really wanted to keep that in. We could change that, I guess, but it's like, I don't know. And then boom, battle ended. Right? Hell yeah. Now, I think this is still an error because it's going straight to another battle menu, which isn't right. But whatever. Fuck it. Big wins, boys. Big wins. By the way, hold on. Let me read some of the chats I haven't read yet. Bro, I'm so fucking sick of getting vibe coding trash ads on YouTube. On God, bro. I see that shit every day. Like, everyone can be a programmer. Like, fuck you. Fuck you. New project out of beta. You're welcome, world. I hate that fucking ad. Let's see. I have one thing about the console clearing. I don't know how you do it internally, but it makes the text go a little lower each time. Drives me crazy. That drives me crazy too. I don't know how the fuck to do that. I don't know how to fix that. Because look, at the very start, because I know exactly what you're talking about, and it drives me fucking crazy. I have no idea how to fix this, but yeah, it starts at the very top, obviously, right? And if you have like a full screen of the console, it's gonna do this. It's gonna do this shit right here. It's gonna just walk down all the way until finally it reaches the very end. And it's like, if you have like a small console, like if you have something like this, you won't notice it, but if the console is like full screen, it looks like doo-doo, so. I know exactly what you're talking about. I have no idea what to do about that. Maybe if it's only one consistent party stats above the options, then you can clear the stats from previous actions. We can try that. Hey, with a passion. Click up. Is that what it is? Click up. We could, because I don't know, wait, where do we clear it at? Hold on. We can go to menu manager really quick. Let's just look at that really quick and see if we like it, chat. We do target. We clear console and then we do target, right? Print turn, create fight menu. That's cancel. That's not the right one. Wait, create select target. Oh yeah, I'm in the wrong shit. Okay. If false, there's no more party members. So we do process turn. We're gonna pass through this because the game hasn't ended yet. We do this. Do print turn. Do we not clear console here? Oh, we clear console here. Get first party index, turn count, print turn. So if we did like game data, and then let's say we did like, how do we print the party info? Hold on, I just want to check. We do this bullshit. Why don't we add this in one function? That looks awful. Whatever. Yeah, so if I do this, let's just test that out really quick. I'm just playing around with stuff. Oh, that still looks like dog shit. Hold on. Yeah, I just want to test that out really quick. I think I know how you're clearing, probably using some ASCII characters or like printing a lot of empty lines. One system. Maybe we can try that actually. Hold on, wait. Let's try that here in a second. Let me see how this looks really quick. And then, yeah, we'll try that. So we go through all of this. The fuck? It crashed. Okay, I don't know. We'll probably just have it where it doesn't print that stuff. Yeah, I guess just call the same function used for printing party stats before you print the actions list. Should it be before or after? Well, no. Because process turn does this. Why did it crash, though? Hold on. Hold on, gang. Let's try that one more time. Maybe I hit something? I don't know. Nope, it genuinely just has a seizure. What are we doing wrong here? The party info, arena, print party info. It just like totally collapses. Why? Why does it totally collapse? We can try the system clear console thing here in a second, because that might actually work a lot better. But for right now, what's up, Apple? Has been a while. I hope you're doing good. Merry Christmas. What are we doing right now? We are kind of just changing some very small things, you know, just kind of like little UI stuff. Good to see you though, Apple. Hope you had a good Christmas. I probably sound very sick right now, so I apologize for that. Also, hello Snorlax. Thank you. Thank you. Snorlax won't be with us for much longer, guys. Christmas has passed. Christmas has passed. So enjoy him, right? While he's still here. Yeah, why the fuck does it do that? We do print party info. Well, it works just fine up here. I don't understand. Maybe it's like where we're putting it. Menu pop, menu pop. Do we need to put it up? No, that doesn't make any sense. Throw on the debugger. The debugger? Fuck no. Fuck no. That's pussy. That's some pussy stuff right there, boys. We can't do that. We're gonna try that, see if it works. I wasn't able to get the debugger to work. Always live on in our hearts, yeah. And honestly, I might just get like another Snorlax. Like it might just be like a normal ass Snorlax. So I don't know. I'll let you guys pick. I'll like, I don't know. I'll like throw up some Amazon options or some shit, and we can see. Yeah, it's fucking up. Yeah, we might have to throw on some. I don't understand. It prints that, but when it. Oh, wait, hold on. It's this line right here. That's where it is. Because it prints this just fine. Game data, arena, game data, arena index, print party info. So there's something fucking up about this. But why? That doesn't make any sense. Video arena index, print party info. We didn't change that, did we? Oh, let's go to party. Party info. Yes, that still works. And then obviously in the game, that works, just not main. The fuck is the game shit? This whole fucking file system is insane. Here it is. Okay, there's that. Wait. 2 Snorlaxes. Nah, I would die of cuteness. Raw dog in the program flow? Fuck yeah. You know me. You know me, that's what we do. We always go in raw. Sorry. Maybe it's in combat? No, that doesn't make any sense. Cause it's 100% this line, but why is it like it works just fine up here? But why? Why does it run just fine up there? Is this like somehow wrong? Because the weird thing is like it's able to run just print party stats. Whoa, what the fuck? Oh wait, no, I'm stupid. Yeah, that works. Wait, current battle, maybe. Print battle, maybe. Hold on. Yeah, because this is okay. Wait. Because I think that the way that we're passing in this function is different. So we would have to do like, hold on, let's do this. Let's do current battle. Enemy party, which obviously captures that, and then get party's side. No wait, print party info. Party info. Okay, we'll see if that works. So we have to remember. It's Q4 links. It's clear. Yeah. I'm on Windows right now. Unfortunately. Same shit, bro. What the fuck? What in the world? Wait, hold on, wait. Is it because of the game loop? I think the game loop is being set to true somehow. Which, how is that even... Wait. Is this the wrong function? Wait a minute, hold up. If there is no next party member, then that means that, yes, we have to get first party index. We do a pop, we do the turn count, then we do the print turn. Yeah, so that doesn't make any sense. But if there is a next party member, then we do pop, clear console, create, select skill menu. Yes, that works. But when we go here, my fucking... Oh no, I'm lost. Lost chat. Snorlax, what do you think? I just don't understand why it's not letting this one work. Like, and it is this line, like 100%, right? Like, it's 100% that line. Time to give into the debugger? No, never. It's got to be such a simple fix. What? Wait, what? Hold on. What? Because it didn't even print turn that time. Is it something with this line? What the fuck? Wait, but that doesn't make any sense. I never thought it would be this hard to do this. Come on, I don't want to give in. I don't want to give in. I don't want to give in. I just can't think of what it could be though. Like, it's... Is it this line? Give me 1 second, chat. Alright, so you guys saw that just work, right? Just vector that shit in C, brother. No, Danny. No, we're not doing that shit. Okay, wait. So it's this. It's something to do with this line here. Because it was able to print... It was able to print the party info. So that means that... Something about this line is breaking it. But how? Like, what is it even doing? Is it this? Doesn't make any fucking sense. This is why I hate C++. I'm playing. Write it in Haskell? Haskell? What the fuck is that? What's Haskell? I don't even understand. Why would it be that line that breaks it? So confuzzled right now, gang. Shit. Yeah, still fucks up. So it's something to do with this. It's something to do with C out. Something about C out's like just, I don't know, making it spaz out. I don't really know what it is though. What do you think, chat? We got any theories? Print party info. I don't understand. Is it this line? Is it this? Because this does look kind of weird. Imagine that's the fix. There's no way, right? No, that'd be too easy. That'd be too easy. The universe doesn't like that. Phone clearing console with escape code. It looks something like this. Well, change the banner text to something else and see what it does. The banner text? Oh, change it to this. Change this to something else. We could try that. Let me try not to even do the new line thing. I think our current clear console is using an escape code. I think. Let me look at it really quick. Nope, still fucks up. What does it need to be changed to? I don't understand. That's not gonna do shit. Fuck. Now I can't put that in my mouth when I think. Yeah, it still prints. Just totally spazzes out. I don't understand this shit. Is it? No, I really have no fucking clue, bro. Shit's crazy. Maybe I do need to give into a debugger. Possibly. Can't stream too long tonight, so. But I think our current clear console function does an escape code. I think it's like, try an empty string maybe? Yeah, we can maybe try that. I mean, yeah, maybe. I'm just so confused as to why that works for the other one. No, doesn't do shit. This is crazy. Actually fucking crazy. I really don't know. This is so weird too. It's like, it's just a C out. Like the C out is literally the issue. Like that's what's causing it to freak out. Like what? Might need to phone a friend. Gotta do what we gotta do, guys. AI is okay for debugging. Try printf maybe? Yeah, we could do that. It could be fucking up with that or some shit. I don't know. But yeah, we need to do a poll. What poll should we do, chat? There we go. Little how is your Christmas stuff. Yeah, okay, that's good. Alright. I got this hoodie for Christmas, by the way. It's pretty sick. It's a jacket, but I'm not wearing anything under it. So, I can't take it off. But I like it though. It's camo. I never wear camo. I don't know, is camo in? I feel like it is. I see people with camo all the time. Got 4 votes so far. Let's see here. Most people was good. It was okay. Bad? Whose Christmas was bad? That's so sad. Pressing, bro. Had a great Goonmas? What the fuck, dude? You're getting timed out for that shit. What the fuck? What is actually wrong with you? Great Goonmas. Dude, my voice is actually deep as fuck. Holy shit. Can you guys hear that shit? Like, when I said Goonmas, like, dude, that shit is so... Line won't crash on its own. The crash is almost certainly the next access to game data from party info in menu manager. Once arena index... Wait, what? This arena index has been incremented past the last entry after the final battle. That subscript is out of range. You'll crash right as you reach the front block. No, but it's on the first battle though. Not even AI knows what the fuck is going on. I'm telling you, it's deep. Dude. It sounds deep, but it sounds like shit though, yeah? I feel like it sounds like shit. But I could just be harsh on my own voice, I don't know. Like, bro, when I said Goonmas, I was like, Goonmas. Like, I don't know, like that shit was deep as hell. Why that word specifically? Chat, I don't know what the fuck to do. I'm like, and my debugger doesn't even work on VS Code. I've been meaning to switch to Visual Studio. So I feel like I'm just like, I'm just lost. Like, I have no idea how to fucking debug this shit. It doesn't sound shit, not through microphone. Maybe not through microphone. Maybe like in real life it sounds like ass. Is party info not set when it's called at that point? It is, because party info, this one prints just fine. And yeah, print party info is set here as well. It's not even this line that's cracked. Like, I could comment this line out. If I comment this line out, this is what's really fucking confusing me. If I comment that line out, it works. It fucking works, dude. Sorry Sorry, let me silence my phone chat. Sorry. I know how annoying that is. But yeah, it like, see, look, and it, oh, never mind. Well, then maybe it's, okay, because I thought it would be this line that would be the thing that like really fucked up, but for some reason when I commented out, this earlier, AI is shit outside a very small amount of contextless problems. Yeah, this, the AI did not help us here, so. Maybe it is this. The way that I was doing it though is like, I was doing arena, and then accessing game data, arena index, right? And then doing print party info. But for some reason that doesn't work. Even though that's how we did it above in the other function. Genuinely lost. Genuinely lost. I have no idea, bro. I need to crack open a cold one if we're going to solve this one. I mean, it's obviously something to do with this, but it's like, why is that not set right here? The arena index is obviously accessible. Yeah, it's obviously accessible. But why is it crashing? I don't know. This is going to require another Red Bull, I think, honestly. What do you think, chat? Another Red Bull? I think so. Debugger time? No. No, Danny. So, is the problem that it crashes instead of displaying the first list of dead enemies? Well, the thing is, it's not listing, hold on. What's happening is, it's supposed to print the enemy party stats as well, like after the, after the player party stats. But it's not. Like, it's just not doing that. And so, and I'm very lost as to why it's not doing that. I'm sure it's this line, but earlier when I commented out this line, it worked just fine. So now I'm like, what the fuck is it? I mean, why would it not? I don't understand. Am I like dereferencing it fucking wrong or some shit? Yeah, no, that doesn't make any sense. Bro. I don't know. Genuinely lost. My voice sounds like shit and I'm lost. I can't use a debugger because we tried that the other night and it didn't work. Or like it wasn't like showing us the information that we need. You're seeing if you could do any simpler operations on the enemy party? We could do that, yeah. We could try that, I guess. Yeah, because maybe it's a print party info, like, specific kind of function that's really kind of fucking with it. We could do, like, can we do, like, another print thing, or, like, what? Maybe, like, get party size, just see if that shit works. I mean, that returns something, though. See if that works. I don't know. Yeah, like it's worked on string before. That's what I'm saying. Well, the thing that's crazy is that it does. Here, I'll show you. If we do print parties, or if we do fight and then we do print battle info, this is using the exact same lines of code that we're trying to use now. But whenever we try to use that same functionality, it just fucking crashes on us. It's like, I don't understand. We can try to run the debugger again, but it wasn't working the other night, and I'm just like, I feel like it's not gonna work for us tonight either. We can try it, I guess, because I'm very lost right now. Alright, fuck it. We'll do our best. It's Just the other night it was like really fucking up, so I had no idea what to do about it. Let me put this a little bit down here. I'm having trouble trying to sleep. The fuck? What? The fuck is going on here? What? What? The fuck just happened? What is going on with my terminal? Wondering if the code is breaking on dead enemies for some reason? Well, the enemy shouldn't even be dead. Like, the enemy is like this is turn 1. Like, what the fuck is going on with this terminal, bro? What? Dude. This wasn't even happening the other night. Bro. Broski. Ugh. I might just say like, fuck it, we're just not gonna put this here. How much health do the enemies have? They... Yeah, they have full health, 255. We do the attack. And then boom, just doesn't print. Doesn't do a thing. Just switch to Visual Studio, man. I've been trying, Danny. I've been trying. Every time I try, it crashes. And I'm like, damn. You know what, try commenting out half the code in print party info function to see if it caused it. As much as it sucks balls, it's better than VS Code. Yeah, no, I feel you, man. I need to. I mean, we could do that, I guess, but it's like... Well, here, let's look at print party info. Well, the thing that it's doing is it's... It's such a simple function, though. I just don't understand why it's... See, the thing is, it's able to work perfectly up here. It works just fine right here. Works amazing, actually. Maybe... Is it the clear console function? Like, is that fucking it up? I mean, that doesn't really make any sense, but... I don't know, like, I'm at a loss for words. I don't really know what to do. Like, we do clear console. Then we do process turn. But no, that doesn't make any sense though. That's stupid. I did not come into the stream thinking we were gonna debug anything, if I'm being honest. But is it due to this return here? No, that wait, I'm looking at the wrong shit. Because it's not doing this. Like if they were dead, it would this if statement would be true, and it would go through all of this. So that's not, like, it's not this. It's... It's just so weird. Like, if I comment this shit out, like, watch. If I comment this out, I bet it works. What branch are we in? Are we still in the main branch? Look, and it's able to work just fine. It's like perfect. But it's like... I think... Because these two print just fine. Is it something to do with it not, I don't know. Bro. I'm gonna break my monitor, I swear. I don't even know. I mean, I don't even know what else to do. The debugger doesn't work yet. Or it's like, it like fucks up. And I want to get into Visual Studio, but it doesn't let me. So I'm gonna have to ask AI to help me solve this. I've been somewhere here. Our arena index is at its first iteration. It still crashes. It prints enemy party. Then the program ends. I'm gonna see what it can do. Cause bro, I'm lost. Very lost. What'd you guys get for Christmas, by the way? If anyone wants to let me know. I did not get Snorlax a gift. Oh, wait. No, I did actually. I got Snorlax some more RAM. Some 32 gig DDR4 RAM. An audio interface? Oh shit, that's pretty sick. That's pretty fucking sick. 3D printer? Fuck yeah. Damn, you guys got some good shit. Damn. That's crazy. Nice. I got mostly clothes, but I'm not complaining. Dude, I need clothes. Genuinely. I need clothes. And a weighted blanket. Fuck yeah. Dude, weighted blankets are so good, bro. Weighted blankets are the shit. Yeah, weighted blankets are actually amazing. Love weighted blankets. Oh yeah. The other day I found my blue light glasses. I used to wear these a lot. I don't know if I'll ever wear them on stream, but what do you think, chat? How's it look? Okay. Let's see, we got something here. The condition never flips to false. Wait, what? Wait. Won't crash on its own. The crash is almost certainly the next access to a media manager. Once arena index has been incremented past the last entry. No, but I just said that it doesn't fucking do that. What? Wait, is this not? Oh wait, no. Okay, no, I'm tripping. Likely culprit isn't C out, it's your cleanup. And game, the inner loop uses I in the condition instead of J. What? In game. What? What? This isn't even like... You're telling me that this is in game. Wait, hold on. I mean, that's kind of a decent point, though. Because where's that at? That's in game, right? I mean, we can fix that, but I doubt it fucking changes anything. Like, I don't think it'll solve our problem here. Delete the arena. It needs to look like this. But that doesn't... I'm still lost as to why that would fix it. I mean, fuck it, we'll see. Yeah, that didn't do shit. That didn't do shit. I mean, that's a fair point, but still, it's like... Doesn't really solve our problem. I don't know. I'm taking these off. These are low-key kind of dirty. Need to clean them before I fucking use them. Glad you guys got some cool stuff, though. I'm glad. I got some gifts back there. I got a new, like, shaker, like, for protein shakes and stuff. So that's nice. Your boy's been hitting the gym. Your boy's been hitting the gym. That's not the point, though. That's not... That doesn't make any sense. It's still saying it's that, but it's... Like, there's no fucking way. There's just no way. Chat, we're gonna revisit this shit. I mean, honestly. Let's just revisit this. Because this is fucking insane. Maybe, like, when we have a working debugger. But right now, bro, this is not working at all. Hold on. Let's go down here to where we wrote bugs. We'll make another one. Print enemy stats. Oh, yeah, print enemy party after. Holy shit, this looks atrocious, bro. Motherfuck. Okay, whatever. I can read it. That's all that matters. I'm gonna comment this out for right now. And that'll just be like a to-do thing. Because I don't know what the fuck to do about that shit, bro. Alright, but when it comes to clear console, we're doing this. Yeah. We're using this. Which, I mean, has worked so far. Like, it hasn't had any issues. But, like, yeah, like, it doesn't, put it, like, at the very, the very bottom of the terminal. I don't even know how, like, we would do that. Like, how would you even clear console, but put it at the bottom of the console? Hold on, wait. Move the cursor to a specific row and column. So we need to do like a what if we just do system? What if we just did that shit? Hold on, wait. Because we weren't even we haven't even been using that like at all. So if we just did this instead, hold on. Like if we did, oh, we're actually already including that, aren't we? Wait, that's the same code, but without mouse going to top. the escape code? I typed. Let me check. Yeah, which one did you type? Holy fuck. Hieroglyphics, that's what you typed. Let's try that one. Fuck it, let's just try that one. I'm gonna have to type it individually though. X1B. Is that a bracket? Holy shit. Need glasses. I think I actually might need glasses, chat. Like, genuinely. I'll get this. That is a function right there. Let's try that out. See if that works, chat. Still doesn't. Well, it puts it at the very top. But why does it... Wait, no, wait. That's because... No, I know exactly why it does that. Yeah, hold on, wait, chat. No, you're right. That escape code does actually work. But the reason it doesn't do that for the very beginning is because we have that set up like in the old way, don't we? Yeah, we have it set up like this. And we're using the clear console from here, yeah, which is weird. Why we have that, but whatever. That does work though. That does work. Perfect. So if we go here and then put this, bada bing, bada boom, and then we do this, and then we run it. Do this. Yes, bro. Fuck yeah. That's what's up. Nice, Foxy. Nice. Good shit, Foxy. That's much better. That's much better. That looks so much cleaner. Hell yeah, Foxy. I'll make sure to give you a larger sum of a profit that we end up getting from this game whenever we put it on Steam. I got you, bro. Hell yeah. All right, nice. So that's one thing that we were successfully able to do tonight. I'm gonna just add this to main. I think we're in main, right? What the fuck? I guess. I don't know. I mean, fuck it. Who cares? Nice. Black hole sun, won't you come? Wash away the rain. Add a nuclear console. Escape code. We'll do better. Hold on, wait. Say better. Origin. Main? Is that where we're at? Everything up to date? What the fuck are you talking about? What branch are we in? It just says nothing. Oh, we're in refactor skill. Motherfucker. Git push origin refactor skill files. All right, sick. Nice. Finally, let's go. I have my share here. Fuck yeah. Bro, the whole chat's gonna get a cut. The whole chat's gonna get a cut, bro. We're all gonna make, we're gonna make that bread. We're gonna make hella bread together, guys. Genuinely, we're gonna make hella bread. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. All right. Nice. So that's kind of taken care of. I guess now what we can do is we continue with the skill thing. Because we got kind of distracted. Yeah, so let's go back here. We were working on debuff resistance. Yeah, that's what we were doing. So use skill, get resistance, plus points, times, get level. I guess this is good. I mean, we can change this, I guess, later on. We just need to make sure that this actually works first. So, and then we can do set resistance. Why is this setting defense? It should be setting attack. I just realized that too. Debuff resistance. Okay, so for this though, we need to do get health color, yes, reset, defense is raised by is magic. Wait, what? Wait, that's if the skill is magic. Yeah, because we made it where this could be reusable. Yeah, because technically it's yeah, okay. But except it's gonna be bright. What did we say it was gonna be again? Oh, don't worry about this. It'll be a buff / heal. It'll be damage. So it'll be like blue or red. Yeah, so it'll be blue or red. So we can go to bright blue or bright red in that ternary. Nice. Okay, now we can actually create the thing. So we'll do debuff res. We'll say, what were we gonna call it? I don't know. What's a good name, guys? I don't know. I genuinely have no idea. Like, because right now we have, this whole fucking thing is insane. We just say debuff resistance, but I feel like it should have like a name. Like, weaken resistance? I guess that makes sense. It's kind of a long name, but fuck it. Yeah, that works. Resistance. And we'll do it is indeed a magic. Damage? No. Wait, why is this? Wait, what? Why is this false? This should be true, yeah? Yeah, it is damage. Should be true. Doesn't make any sense. I guess I just copied it. I don't know. Right? Yeah, I don't. Okay. True. And then this is the amount of points, so we could just do like, I don't know, 12, some shit like that. Do like 12, and then we could do like the cost could be like, do 20. I don't know, let's do 15 actually for that one. Then we could do target type, one enemy. I like that. I like that. It's good. Nice. Okay. And then let's make the healer ones, and then we can actually test them properly. Because we already tested the like them being able to get like the actual whatever the fuck it's called, the skills, whenever they level up a certain way, or like whenever they level up to like a certain level. But we don't have it yet where I'm just gonna stop talking. I forgot what I was gonna say. All right, so basic heal and then buff defense. So we could do, yeah, basic heal, which is fine. Damage HP, so I guess we could do gain HP or like buff HP. Would it be buff HP? What's like the name for it? Yeah, we need to get rid of this, by the way. Yeah, what would be like the name for it? Like that specific kind of skill. It's not like damage HP, it's like increase HP? Heal HP? Heal HP, that's, fuck it, just do that. Yeah, we'll do that. Heal HP. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Because we could also do like heal resource, you know, some shit like that. Okay, then we'll do heal HP. It's gonna use the same params as this bad boy right up here. And let's go and copy this. Bada bing, bada boom. Nice. Okay, now let's actually implement it. I had to think. Okay, heal HP. fuck that up. Hold on, wait. There we go. And yeah, I mean, it's just gonna use the same shit as this, honestly. So do skill in magic DMG PCTT. Nice. And then we'll do void heal HP, use skill. And honestly, we might want to do like, because this is actually going to be a little different in a way. Yeah, because this might actually be a little different. Yeah, because damage HP, we do this. Don't we do like a ternary? Yeah, we do. Yeah, okay, yeah. So we do this. Right, yeah. What the fuck? What just happened? Okay. I'm just gonna copy this this function here, and we're gonna just edit it, kind of like what we did with the last one as well. Just kind of go from there. Yeah, so the damage, so it'll be like a heal stat, because we need to also like. Well, how the fuck would that work? What's up, Junes? Good to see you, Junes. Merry Christmas to you. Hope you're doing good tonight. Honestly, bro, like, is there really gonna be... There's really not gonna be another, like, class that heals besides the healer, and the healer is always magic, so it doesn't really make sense to do that in the first place. Yeah, so that doesn't really make any sense. So we'll do heal points. And then we're doing a ternary as well. Wait, get is defending. That shouldn't matter. It won't matter. Yeah, so all of this actually is just going to be like just changed up basically. We can still use like, I guess this formula, I guess. I don't know. Hold on, wait. Yeah, let me just copy this really quick. Because it would be something kind of like this. Target. Well, we're not going to need to go based on anything like that. We are currently working on a new skill type. Jazz hands. Let's fucking go. The heal HP skill. We're working on this. Hold on, wait. Let me show you. If you can read my chicken scratch. We are currently implementing these skills for the healer. So that's what's up. That's the shit. We actually just got done debugging. Actually unsuccessfully debugging because I didn't actually debug it all the way. But it's okay. That's a future me problem. You know what I mean? That's an after Christmas kind of problem right there. So we're not gonna pay attention to that. How should the heal points be? Because honestly, it's not gonna be calculated using this. Like that just doesn't really make any sense. Do source get magic. Get magic. Edit. Oh shit! I fucked that up. I think actually we need to do this, don't we? Yeah. So get magic. I'm okay with this part, but the other part doesn't make any fucking sense. So I don't really know what to do about that. We could maybe just like multiply it by the number of points. Why is this no longer a word? Oh yeah, because damage points is not a thing. You heal. Yeah. Okay. Set HP if HP is more than get max HP. Yeah. Okay, that's what we need to do. Excuse me, guys. Get HP is more than target. Oh yeah, I'm cooking. Chat. I'm cooking. I got fucking Metallica in my fucking ear right now. I'm cooking. If it's more, then we'll just set it equal to target get max HP. Yeah, that's good. And then get health color. We don't need to do a yeah, we don't really need to do a ternary here. It doesn't really make any sense. So we could just do motherfuck. Oh my fuck. Yeah, we'll just do, bro. Do that one more time. Swear to God. All right, there we go. Yeah, okay. So it's because I keep clicking the next fucking line, bro. And we'll change this to heal points instead. And it'll be bright green? No, magenta. Yeah, magenta. And then reset HP. Yeah, okay, yeah, that's right. Yeah, and now we can add the fucking, we can add this. Nice. What does the question mark do? It's for the ternary operation, or like we were using it for like ternary. You know, like the more, like, you know, the cooler way to do an if statement on like one line. Dude, I'm still sick. Sorry. Alright, yeah, so that should work now. So now let's go here. Basic heal. Oh, wait, sorry. Heal. HP. Basic heal. Ooh, just call it heal. Is it a magic? Yes. True. Damage. False. Points? The amount of points? How much do we want to heal it? I'll have to look that up. Oh yeah, no, it's basically what happens is like you have a condition, question mark, and then you put what happens if the condition is true, and then you do a colon, and then what happens if the condition is false. It's good for like, you know, shit like that. If you just need to like check like a true or false really quick. And you want to look cool doing it too. So I tend to do it quite often, you know, because I'm super cool. As far as heal goes, I don't want heal to be too overpowered. Like, but we'll do like 15. We'll do 18. Do 18. And then the cost can be like 12, some shit like that. And target type, 1 ally. Nice. Fucking with that. Does look cool to me. Thank you. It's yeah, it's a pretty cool way of doing like an if statement, or like a, you know, conditional like that. Alright, what's the other one? Buff defense. We already have a buff defense, so that's actually good. Yawning, bro. Okay. Buff defense. What do we call it though? It's like not like a basic defend, it's like strengthen. Is that how you spell strengthen? Hold on. Yes, it is. Okay, cool. Sorry, guys. I don't know. Oh, no, it's not actually. I just look stupid. Strengthen? Is that actually how you fucking spell it? Interesting. Sorry, guys. I'm not good at spelling. I'll be honest. Strengthen defense. Strengthen defense. True. False. How much do we want to do it by? Is this not valid? What's this not valid? Should be valid. True, false. Fuck. True, false. Yeah, true, false. What? How many points? We do that one by 5. Which honestly isn't shit, but whatever. We do that one by 5. We can do this one by like 15. Yeah, I fuck with that. Do 15. No, actually, wait. No. Let's do like 20. I want this one to be like kind of a cool one, like a nice one. Do that and then target type. Ooh, what if this would... Ooh, wait, hold on, chat, I'm cooking. What if we did like a function or a skill that strengthens the entire party? Like the entire party's defense. Obviously for like one move, but like it's actually not too bad. Especially like as a, because this skill would only really be cool if it was like, well no, it's a level 2 kind of skill. No, let's not do that. Let's just do target type one ally. And this won't be all of the skills. We're gonna add more, but like an ult, like kinda, yeah, but like a what's it called? I mean, kind of like an ult, I guess. Like kind of, but it would be like an expensive move. Like you couldn't use it every turn, basically. Like the cost would be high enough to where you couldn't use it every turn. That's kind of what I'm thinking. I mean, we'll add something like that eventually, but I don't know. Right now, we'll just stick with this. Yeah, I need to add the new ones as well. What did we add? Hold on. Yeah, we did damage, HP, fireball, debuff, rest, weaken, resistance. Very nice. Extern, heal HP. We're gonna need to do this as well, I think, right? Wait, it recognizes it. Maybe not. Basic heal. Okay. And then buff defense. Strengthen. Defense. How does that work? Does it actually... Do we not need to add like the... Do we not need to do 4 declaration anymore? What about a rest? What do you mean? I'm confused. What's a rest? Ults would be kind of cool. Like, after like a certain like amount of moves or some shit, you can like use an ult. That'd be kind of sick. Alright. Now, we're gonna go to... I think the archer, yeah, the archer already has the unlockable skills. We should need to go to healer and change unlockable skills. Level 1. Wait. We might honestly just add that whenever we... resurrection? Ah, that'd be kind of sick, actually. That'd be kind of sick. That'd be a good, that'd be a really good skill for the healer. Let me write that down. We'll do like at level 4. Resurrect. Is that how you spell it? Nope. Yeah, no, that's good. That's good. Chat's cooking. Chat's cooking tonight. I'm a healer. I want that. I always played healer too. Like Overwatch, bro. Dude, Lucio, Ana, like bro, I was cold. No, I wasn't. I actually sucked, but it is what it is. I enjoyed it. Yeah, so actually I think we're gonna just make it where, because don't we add the moves here, don't we? Yeah, so we could just do skills and place back, like whenever we construct the healer instead. So we could do like skills in place back, and then add like the basic heal. Just, you know, do that. Just because off rip they're gonna have it anyway. So, and this one would be strengthen defense. Okay, and then we'll do, well, we'll add more later, I guess. Okay, nice. I like that. I like that. Cool. Yeah, whatever. And for mage, we'll do the same shit. Do we are we gonna do fireball at level 1 for mage? Should we do that? We have it set at 2, but I'm starting to think now, like, if we have it at 2, then that means the mage is gonna go through an entire battle without being able to use fireball. Or like without being able to like use like mana or anything like that. We might want to do that. We might want to make it where it's like, yeah. But what we can do is we can decrease the attack stat. That way it's like, it's kind of like forced in a way, if that makes sense. Yeah, let's do that. We'll do in place back. And then fireball. Fireball, there we go. And unlockable skills. At level 3. No, let's do a level 2 instead. What do we have? It's called what? Debuff resistance? It's like weakened resistance? Weakened resistance? Yeah, that's what it is. We'll just do that instead. So let me go... Oh shit, sorry. I forgot to change it back. My fault, chat. No one said anything. And level 2 on that one. Nice. Nice. I'm fucking with that. Fucking with that. I guess now we can test it, huh? Oh shit. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, we do have to do a forward declaration on that file, which is fine. I just wanted to avoid it if I could, but it's all good. It's all good, chat. Sorry, I changed the song. Very important to have good music going. Alright, gotta go to sleep, enjoy the rest. Alright, Foxy, good to see you as always. Merry Christmas yet again. Thanks for stopping by. Sleep well. In the eternal presence of Starbucks. I'll see you, Foxy. Have a good night. Alright, let me change this now. So yeah, we have to do a forward declaration on that, so... We'll just do debuff res. And then we'll do heal HP. Nice. Nice, nice. Messing with that, messing with that. Okay, we'll do A1, B2, C3, D4. Print party stats, perfect. A can do that. Look at that, B can use a fireball. Nice. C can attack, and look at that, D can heal. Nice. Wait, but we also do want to do... Oh wait, A lost 75.6 HP, holy shit. Oh. 75.6 HP, what the hell? Oh, and one thing. When you become super famous, don't forget about me. Foxy, I will never forget about you. I will have a whiteboard written down. Not even a whiteboard. Fuck it, I'll get a tattoo of you guys. I'll get a fucking tattoo of all my OGs. All the OG followers. For when I'm... famous. Okay, the good thing is that it doesn't... Wait, does it? No, okay, it doesn't, yeah. It doesn't go past that, but 75.6 is actually kind of insane. I think we need to change that for sure. Like, that is a lot. We can definitely decrease that, but... How much did, how much did B's attack do? Like, let's just do that on 4. 96 HP, holy fuck. 96 HP. The fireball did 96 HP, gang. God damn. That's fucking insane. I mean, I guess a lot of them are... Cause dude, like that makes mage like pretty powerful. Okay. Yeah, we definitely need to decrease the heal. Yeah, decrease the heal. And then we also need to make sure to decrease the fireball, because that shit is insanely overpowered. We don't have to decrease it by like a lot, but we do need to like we need to do something about it, so which is fine. Sorry guys, I'm still sick. My fucking voice sounds like shit. Heal HP. Yeah, we also need to change this too, because right now it still says lost. Just change it to gained. It's pretty easy. Easy fix, easy fix. But we need to change this too. So it's like 0.2 times points. So I think what we need to do is we need to decrease the amount of points that basic heal has instead. Yeah, let's just do that, honestly. I mean, yeah, because holy fuck, dude. Basic heal, 18 points, gang. Change that shit to 10. Like, fucking 18 points, bro? Like, what? It's fucking insane. Okay, so we'll do that, and then... Yeah, so... When it comes to damage HP, though, it would also change the way that like, the attack works as well. Hold on, wait. On chat. Darkness. Okay. Why is it not? What the fuck? Darkness imprisoning me. Fight. Yeah, how much does attack do? I actually want to see that. It does not do nearly as much as... Yeah, it's like 29, 15, 23, 9. But then the fireball does 93. Like, what? I think it's because the magic stat is so high on a mage, like, at the very beginning. So maybe what we need to do, honestly, is just change that. I don't want to refactor all of it. Like, the other amounts make sense. They're fine. But whenever a mage is constructed, I feel like that's really the thing that, like, needs to be refactored, I think. Which is fine. That we can refactor that pretty easily. What is the stat off rip? It's like mage magic. Yeah, it's something to do with the formula. Mage magic. We're still using this god awful fucking shit right now. Yeah, we do 17. Yeah, okay, yeah, that's actually insane. Because if we actually, yeah, if I pull up this terminal and I make that one more time, I bet you it's like an insane number. Yeah, magic is 21 compared to a usual like 16 or like, hold on, wait, like a warrior, for instance. Yeah, warrior's attack is well, it's not that big of a deal, but let's just set it to the same amount as the attack stat for the warrior, because I don't know, it's kind of overkill, I ain't gonna lie. And we could do 14, or we could do 15 plus the level times 4, so that should give us 19 at level 1, which is ideal, I would say. Yeah, pretty ideal, I'd say. So we're gonna refactor this eventually, but not anytime soon, because I don't feel like it. Yeah, and maybe that'll be a little bit better now. It's insane how much of a difference that actually makes. So now if we do fights, attack. Holy fuck, it's still 96. Oh, wait, it's because the points is probably really high, isn't it? Yeah, that's why. Yeah, Fireball, compared to 10, Fireball is at 25. We're going to put that back down. We're going to put that to like 15. Do 15, 10, something like that. Yeah, that's fine. We'll do 13, actually. 13, 10. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I think that's a little bit better. Yeah, so actually, honestly, we might go back and just change that back to what it was. Because now if we make that, I feel like that's a little bit easier. Do A1, B2, C3, D4. Fight, attack enemy 1, fireball on enemy 2, attack enemy 3, attack enemy 4. Holy shit, it's still 96 HP. Did we not, like, is it not saved? Like, what happened? What the why is it not changing? It's like a consistent. Yeah, it's like a consistent I don't know, chat. I'm lost. I have no idea. Yeah, it's like constantly 96 HP. Did we change the wrong one? Oh, bro. Oh my fucking god. We changed arrow shot. Honestly, arrow shot's pretty high up there too. But then again, that's like a level 2 kind of thing. Yeah, so it's, I changed the wrong one. That's why that happened. Okay, now let's try it again. Terminal, fuck it. That makes sense at least. That does make sense. 4, fight, attack enemy 1, fireball on enemy 2, attack enemy 3, and then let's just heal enemy. Yeah, okay, that's much better. 45.6, I'll take that, honestly. Yeah, no, that's much better. Okay, sick. Thank God. Thank God, that's much better. Alright, nice. So we were able to successfully add those. I think we still need to test them. So I'll add that like in my to-do. Do a little to-do. Test all skills. Nice. Okay. All right, chat. I think I'm out. I gotta be somewhere in about 20 minutes, so I gotta dip out. So, streaming tomorrow. Yes, I will be streaming tomorrow. So, if you guys want to come around for that, I'll stream probably around the same time as I did today. So 7 p.m. Central Time typically is when I do it. So tomorrow should be the same. Should be the same tomorrow. So anyways, guys, Merry Christmas. Thank you guys, of course, for the support. How many subs are we at right now? Did we lose one? Did we lose a sub? Oh. I think we did lose a sub. I'm not gonna lie. I think I had like 4, or no, sorry, not 4. I had like 643, I think, when I woke up this morning. Now we have 642. So, nice. Whoever left, best of luck to you. Alright, guys. You guys have a good night. Merry Christmas. Stay warm. Alright. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.